So welcome, Morocco Method International, where healthy, happy holiday gift giving is happening. So Anthony wants to share with you my favorite gift giving products. On top of the list would be the scalp massagers. I love them. They're all natural, 100% rubber. They're only natural rubber scalp massagers in the world. Everything else is latex or plastic, which doesn't feel good. And for the hair and scalp, gently or very vigorously is really good. I do my forehead, I do my face, I do my neck, and I do my whole body. I have a stand-up desk where I am now, and if I feel like, well, I've been in the computer too long, I just take the scalp massager, massage my hands, my face. I have them in the car, so if I'm driving too long, I can start massaging my shoulders. This is the perfect gift for anybody and everyone. They're wonderful. And then Morocco Method brushes. I love them. I use them 2 or 3 times a day, every day, 7 days a week to get the blood flowing, air circulation in the scalp. And most of all, you get our natural sebum, all of our natural oils flowing, brushing them back into the hairline, bending over. We have videos and education. Scalp really needs stimulation and getting that excess oil back and forth, our natural sebum oils. Use in good health. And of course, one of our newest products, the bars. So we have the shampoo bar and the conditioner bar. Wow, they're wonderful. Use them in traveling, especially outdoors. And they're 100% compostable. The entire packaging can be thrown in the ground. It'll decompose. They're great. And another one of my favorites that I would love to give all of you as a gift is the Zen Detox. Zen Detox are clays from all over Europe, volcanic natural clays. So I do my whole scalp, I do my forehead, I do the face, I do the neck, I do the whole bust actually, and it tightens up. The tighter it gets, the better, because it's pulling out all the toxins. In the summer, when I can lay in the sun, I'll take the Zen Detox, put it through my whole body, let it stay there as long as possible. It's so invigorating. Blood of a Dragon styling gel. I love Blood of a Dragon styling gel. I use this every day because it's nice and soft. Right after the shower, wet hair, dry hair, massage it in, let it dry. You can leave it there for a wet look, but I brush it out. So after the Blood of a Dragon dries, I brush it out, nice and soft, keeps my hair exactly where I want it. So it comes in our full size or 2-ounce size. Really, really, really a great product. Diamond Crystal Mist, Volumizer Mist. Both of them do unique things. So the Volumizer Mist basically gets the hair to be more volumized, looks thicker, gives it some more body. Spray it all over, right on your hair. That also comes in traveling 2-ounce size. The Diamond Crystal Mist, same thing, hair, but we have a lot of people who have told us about multi-use. So they use it before they photograph, to spray their face with it. They also, after putting on their makeup, they put it on to set the makeup. Then we have our Fangay facial scrub. We get so many emails and compliments from everyone, men and women, enjoying this on their skin for exfoliation. Try it once, you'll be amazed. I do this every other day. Sometimes about once a week, I'll take it into the shower and use it on my whole body. Very invigorating. And of course, our basic shampoos, fire, air, earth, water, ether, earth, sea, apple cider vinegar, pine shale, and essentials. So all 5 shampoos, they come in our large size or 2-ounce size for traveling. Alternate the 5, and then we have the 5 conditioners. Very super concentrated, meaning you can use it full strength, but most people with thicker, longer hair really need to water it down, and it'll go on for 2, 3, 4 times longer. That's my gift list. Wishing you all great health, happiness, and the most comfortable and healing holidays. From me, Anthony Morocco, from my dog Fiore, she's so happy, lots of treats, and my staff at Morocco Method all wish you a blessed, happy, healthy holiday. Namaste.